Hello students, how are you? I am Renu and let's start general knowledge questions for class 7. Let's start the topic of spot the errors. I'm sure you must be curious about finding the errors in these symbols. So the first one here, let's read the question. The sign below may have errors. Write what the error is. Error means mistake. So the first is, you can see a circle and there is one arrow pointing upward and there is a cross. So the error here is, this sign has been flipped vertically. This arrow should point downward. So the answer will be, the sign is flipped vertically. It should be like this, where the arrow will be pointing downward. Now moving on to the B part. Here you can see a triangle with a telephonic symbol. So signs that give information should be rectangular, not triangle. So this telephonic symbol should be in a rectangular shape, not in a triangular shape. Moving on to C part. Here you can see a circle with 600 written inside this. This sign is for speed limit. And speed limit cannot be 600 km per hour. It can be 60 km per hour. So here inside the circle, instead of 600, 60 should be written. Moving on to the D part. Here we can see triangle. In this D part, this is a warning sign. Warning sign for humps. And the warning signs for humps ahead does not have 4 bumps. Can you see here? Black humps have been shown. So the warning sign for humps ahead does not have 4 humps. Moving on to the E part. Here you can see red circle with no entry written over here. The correct no entry sign is a red circle with a white bar. Here it should not be red bar. It should be white bar, and in fact this word is also not written over here. It is simple circle with white bar. Moving on to the F part. Here you can see a circle with 2.5 km written. But the error is that it cannot be kilometer. It can be meter. The vertical clearance, this is a vertical clearance sign, and it should read 2.5 meter instead of 2.5 kilometers. So this is the final answer which you can see for 1A, 1C, 1E. You can pause the video and read it if you want. And for B, D, F, this is the final answer which you can write. Moving on to question number 2. The question says, which of these logos have errors? Write what the error is. So few logos you can see over here, and we have to find out and write where there is any error. Now 2A part. Here you can see an apple, and this is a symbol of Apple Incorporation. As you can see here, in this apple there is a leaf on the top of it. It is shown on the left side. So actually the error, the mistake is in the leaf. The leaf should point on the right side. Moving on to 2B part. This is a symbol of Domino's. I'm sure you must have at least once eaten Domino's pizza in your life. And if not yet, then go and order it. Anyways, so let's move on to this symbol. So here Domino's, you can see 2 squares have been shown here, blue square and the red square. So error here is that there should be only one white circle in the red square instead of 2 white circles. So instead of 2 white circles, only 1 white circle should be shown. Moving on to C part. This is a symbol of Vodafone. Vodafone, you are aware, na? Okay, so the logo, if you have seen it in TV advertisements, it is flipped vertically. This arrow should point on the top. So the error is that logo is flipped vertically. Moving on to D part, this is the symbol of Andhra Bank. Can you see here? A is small a and B. Okay. So if you see it carefully, actually there is no error. This is totally correct. So you will write here no error. Here, this is Vaio Corporation. Vaio is actually laptop company. And if you see here, the error is in the dot. This dot should be shown here, so that it will look like A. The dot forms the A. Okay. Moving on to the E part, this is State Bank of India. If you look carefully, the error is here at the center. Can you identify now? The blue ring at the center of the logo is extra. There should not be any blue ring. So finally, the answers which you have to write will be, so you can write here the 2A, 2B, 2C. These are the errors. And here also you can write B part, C, D part and F part. Question number 3 is, what is wrong with these flags? Few flags have been shown here. You have to find out, is there any error or mistake in these. Here in A part, this is the flag of Turkey. If you have seen it earlier, the error here is that there is a star here with the moon symbol. A star symbol is also there. So you will write the answer as, the star is missing from the Turkish flag. B part. This is the flag of Switzerland. And the error here is, can you identify? The error is that this Swiss flag is square, not rectangular. Here you can see the outer shape is rectangular, but the actual shape is square. So that is the error. Moving on to the C part. Here, this is the flag of South Korea. The black symbols on the four corners, can you see? Three black lines have been drawn. The black symbols at the four corners are different. These are not simply lines. These are different and they have special meaning also. So the final answer which you will write for here, this is the first answer. This is the second one, that it is square, not rectangle. And this is the third answer which you have to write here. We have one more question here. Spot and write the errors. Errors, you know, na, mistakes. Ignore partial pictures. So whichever part is not visible, which is partial, that we have to ignore. Here in the first one, we can see keyboard. All of you have seen keyboards and used it also. Now, are you able to see the keys? A, S, D, F, and here it is Q, W, E, R, T, Y. Now, do you remember? Where is the mistake? Can you recognize? So here the error is that some keys like Q, W, E, R, T, Y, etc. are in the wrong position. This line should be on the top and ASDF should be in the middle. Okay. So here you can see the symbol of a coin, 10 rupee coin. You must have used it also. So what's the error? The error is Satyamev Jayate is missing from the emblem. Here, if you remember, what is written here? Satyamev Jayate. So the error is that Satyamev Jayate is missing from the emblem. Moving on to the C part. Here is the map of India and few rivers have been given here. Yamuna, Ganga, Chambal, Betwa, Rihand, Ganga, Son Nadi, Ghaghra, Gandak, Damodar, Kosi. The error here in the map is that Ganga and Yamuna, these two labels have been interchanged. Ganga should be written here on the top and Yamuna should be written below. Yamuna flows here where it is written as Ganga, and Ganga flows and it follows this path, top one. Okay, so these two have been interchanged. Moving on to the next one. Now this is a flower. Have you seen the marigold flower? This is a marigold flower, and the mistake is that the leaves are not marigold leaves. These leaves are not of marigold. It has some different leaves. Next part is E1, remote. Oh, everyone loves to hold the remote now while watching TV. Okay, so let's see what mistake is there. All the buttons look okay. Here also okay. Now here, channel button and the volume button. The plus and minus sign, can you see here? The error is in this one. The plus and minus on the volume and channel controls are flipped. Plus should be on the top, minus should be here. Here also in the volume button, plus should be written here and minus should be here. So this is the error. Plus and minus have been interchanged, or you can say flipped. Moving on to the F part. This is marigold biscuit. Everybody likes biscuit, right? Now can you identify any error here? Here. Moving on to here. To show vegetarian food should have green dot, not the brown dot. This dot should be green in color. After F, we have a car here. In the G part, there is a car and symbol you can see. This is a Mahindra, not a Mahindra, but the logo, if you see, it is of Mahindra. So this is a Hyundai car. The error is that you will write Hyundai car has the Mahindra logo. So there is a error in this logo. Next one is, you can see here Bluetooth headset. This is a Bluetooth headset, and if you have seen the Bluetooth symbol, the error is in this symbol. The Bluetooth symbol is flipped horizontally. It should be on the right side, not on the left side. This B symbol, this B symbol should be on the right side. These are the final answers which you can write for A part, for B part. Then here is the C1. This is the D part. E part. F part. G part. H part. Here, these are all the answers which you had to write. 1 A B C D E F, then second A B C D E F, then here is the third one. These are the flags which you had to, you can see here, right? And this is the fourth part, answers like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.